All right, let's do this thing. We are in Unit 2, Session 2 this week. We are going to either be accessing our materials from up here in the updates or by coming over here to fall semester. I'm still having some people get really confused about where to find stuff. Please make sure that you are accessing the entire folder. So I just clicked on Unit 2. Here is Session 2. Oh, look at all of those pages. So much more than assignments. Lots of pages that have lots of good information. Necessary information. Not just good information, necessary. Anyway, one really important thing you need to know this week is the October count day. You got an email from Mr. Homan last week talking about October count and how it's really important for us to get an accurate count of how many students go to our school. Well, on October 1st, that's Thursday this week, you guys need to complete this assignment here, 2.2.4, Scarlet Ibis plot diagram. You'll notice that you'll be able to see it, but you won't be able to submit anything until Thursday, October 1st. So make sure you do that day. If you don't have it done by, say, like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, you're going to be hearing from me, and I'm going to continue bothering you until you get it in. It's very important that we have that assignment in on Thursday, October 1st. Other than that, we are going to be reading Scarlet Ibis this week. It's a real, interesting short story. You'll notice that there's a connection between the animal, the Scarlet Ibis, and one of the characters. So make sure you're looking out for that. We're just going to continue diving into characters and what makes them tick, and even trying to think about how the setting of this text really does make an impact on the characters. Please let me know if you have any questions this week. I hope you guys have a great week. Enjoy Scarlet Ibis, and see you later.